Okay, let's just draw some Japanese doodles and a simple Japanese language. So we are going to start from just round the shape, but this is going to be kind of like an egg shape. Make sure the bottom is flat, like that. And here we're going to draw another circle. Make sure that it's round, round, round. It's almost like a triangle, but really round corners. Then we're adding, this is eyebrows. Eyes like that. Let's add some mustard. Did I say right? Oh my gosh, I totally forgot the word. Mustache. Sorry, mustache. And little cheeks. So it's he has pink cheeks. It's kind of cute. And then on the bottom, we are going to add some kind of patterns, and let's draw 4 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is called daruma. Daruma. And in hiragana, we write 1 and top to the bottom, and this is da, and then we put the dot dot to make a harsh sound. So it's going to be da, daru, ma. 1, 2, 3. Oh, this is daruma. The next is, we're going to draw just a small circle, but make sure that it's open the bottom. And you want to draw 5 of them. So 1, 2, 3. It's okay. It doesn't have to be perfectly, the same size. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we are adding, including the circle, the small circles on each petal. It's a flower, by the way, like this. And then we are extending the line, the 5 lines. Yes. So this is ume. Ume. It's a plum flowers. And to write in Japanese, u, 1, 2. This is u, me. 1, just a line, and then going another line, going around and stop. Ume. Let's try one more thing. We're gonna draw. Let's see. Okay, so here we go. We're drawing from. So this is really tall egg shape, but this is more like on the side. And make sure you're adding ears. You probably know what it is. It's a cat. Another triangle here. Triangle like that. Then the eyes. And I recommend that we're adding some kind of, this is going to be pattern. So, and then this is the nose. There's the mouth. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. The whisks. Okay. And here is the little bell. Little bell on her collar. Okay. We're going to draw a manekineko. I'm going to explain later, but manekineko has, it's like a lucky cat. It's inviting a lucky. Oh my gosh, I have a really weird hairstyle. Uh, and it's usually holding a old style a coin from Japan that we don't use anymore. So here I want you to draw kind of like a square but really round corners. Make sure you have a little space between, because we're gonna add the hands. And then here's a hand. So the cat is holding a coin. And let's add some details to the coin. I drew 1, 2, 3 lines. And then on the other hand, he is inviting a good luck. There's the arm. And then we're going to draw, he's sitting on the cushion. And this is the stomach. Okay. And we're going to draw a cushion. So when you're drawing that, just keep little, details. I'm going to draw one and then little details. You can add 1, 2, 3, some kind of, extra things. I don't even know what it's called, but in Japan, we some cushions has this like a thread. So this is, I'm gonna write down. Maneki neko, maneki neko. In Japanese, how to write this is 1, 2, and we go on top, going around and stop. This is ma, and down. And then the next is a little bit funky. You have to go zigzag, zigzag, and then going around the curve, and the curve again. This is mane. Ki. 1, 2. Make sure this is not horizontal. It's going up, and then there's top to the bottom, and here's a little curve. Mane ki. Neko. Yeah, this is the same. Mane ki. Ne. Ne. Ko. One, make sure it has a tail. And then a little bit of a tail. Maneki neko. That's how you write in hiragana. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you want, you can color this. So maybe, I might as well I do a little coloring on the other videos. Why not? So I'm using the topic markers. And I'm just going to color. When you draw the daruma, everything is usually red. Do a red. And then the middle is, let's put the yellow. And then here is pink. And then this is black. This is the aroma. And ume, I use two colors, the red and the pink. So what I'm going to do is I will probably just add the red outside, and the inside I'm going to color as pink. So here it is. Here it is. By the way, it's snowing today. That maybe I can just do a little bit more clear. These small circles I'll color as yellow. And the cat is maneki neko. So maneki neko, this cat is, he has a pattern, and this is Black. Let's say the inside is a stomach. When you color in the coin, I might just add a little bit. Can you see that? I might keep the white spot. It just shows a little bit, the kind of like a shiny effect in a way. So like this. And let's use red for his collar. And this is also yellow. And let's see what else. I do pink and pink and the pink inside. Maybe the cushion. Probably just color as green. So like that. This is Manekineko. So I hope you enjoyed it. It's really simple. And yeah, I guess you can draw and learn a little bit of Japanese at the same time. Okay, thanks for watching.